Other guys and girls, these are the movie that we have to select to watch. There's no cartoons since that I have kids here joining. Anyway. Other guys and girls, good evening to every one of you. Shout out to every one of you. To all my silent subscribers out there, hi, to all my fellow townmates. Happy Fiesta once again in San Roque, Legazpi City. And to all my silent subscribers, to all my first viewers, hi, to share what I'm doing. So I hope, there they are. Hi! Nailing mo so in-upload ko? Sure, ganito man. Nailing mo? Dae. Sige, i-check mo graray Ayo. Shout out.
Shout out po sa taga-absek.
Anong family name?
AB Chara Service Queen.
How about you?
Ganun din, Senpai.
Family name?
AB Chara Service Queen.
Okay, sige. Pero may ilingon nito ang YouTube channel ko ha. Update ha. So tara. I don't think that there's a cartoon movie here. May cartoon movie? Wala.
Ano lang sir, Alien Romance.
Walang pambata?
Wala.
So walang pambata, paano yan? Ilang movie lang?
Happy for you lang po ang page namin.
Pwede sa bata?
Pwede po, kaso ano lang siya, so, hindi man siya cartoon.
Oo nga. So, Happy for you for kids. Is it general GP ba?
Dapat po. Hindi pa po. Ito, R13 po. Ito, PG.
Parental guidance.
Love story.
Oh, yeah. Pero pwede sa kanila to?
Basta kasama ako.
I see. I thought 13 lang.
PG. Pag PG po, parental guidance.
Parental guidance. Starting 13.
Oh.
So,
Parental guidance 13.
13 below. That's why. So, sige. Yan na lang.
Ano na? Kasi sir, may ano yun?
May?
Ano po ang ano? Bako siya actually pang ano? Pang asin talaga.
So, they need them appreciate. Oo. So, hindi rin sila makakano, no?
Yung ano lang, ganito sa kita ko sir ang trailer. Gusto mo?
Ng ano?
Happy.
Hindi, kahit huwag na. So guys and girls,
para sa bata.
they are not applicable to watch the Unhappy For You movie. So sad. Anyway guys and girls, we'll be right back for you. We'll just talk what we're gonna do, what we're gonna watch, what we're supposed to do, since that there's no cartoon movie for the kids, and it wouldn't be possible if only the three of us will gonna watch and then the two will be left here. So anyway, thank you for watching. Bye for now. Anyway, shout out by the way. Your name?
Sarah po.
Shout out to your family.
Shout out po sa aking family.
Family name?
Izquierda po.
Then,
and Bolaños family.
Okay, and your name is?
Sarah po.
Okay, Sarah. Invite our kababayans here to watch here in
Bichari po.
Yeah.
Showing ko rin po ang Alien Romulus po, Unhappy, and With Us po, dito sa Bichari City.
Yes.
Watch po kayo dito. Super mura.
Yes. And super clean.
Yes.
Fascinating and some kind of awesome movie house.
Ano mo sir? Para
Later on, Hendrix A YouTube. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So paano yan? You can't able to watch because there's no cartoon for you. But for now anyway,